round to paradise. That must be the Liverpool Casual Club car park, ladies and gentlemen. We're in paradise right here with all these cars.